In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the voice command controls on an Insta360 X3 camera. Now this can come in handy if you are shooting in places where it's kind of hard to get hold of your camera. So for me, for instance, when I have my camera mounted to my helmet or my chest for mountain biking or other action sports, it sometimes can be kind of cumbersome to press the buttons, and you don't want to risk touching the wrong button and then changing the settings of the camera. So the voice command controls are really good for starting and stopping your videos, taking a photo, and even shutting down your camera. They're the basic controls that I use. So we'll jump into the camera now, and I'm going to give you a tutorial of how to use the voice controls. Okay, so I've got my camera here. It is turned on, and what we're going to do is we are going to swipe down. I'm going to go down to our settings menu, and we're going to click the cog icon, and we're going to click voice control. And usually when you get your camera, it will be turned to off. So you want to turn it on. I keep mine to English. For most people that will be applicable. And then it'll tell you here which voice command you can use. So take photos, start recording, mark that, and shut down camera. Mark that also comes in handy when you're editing, so you can quickly jump to a segment that you've put a mark on rather than having to scan through all your footage. And then to simply use your voice command, you literally just say the phrase. So recording, stop recording, shut down camera. So one thing you'll notice with this is you have to be very clear when you're saying the voice commands. And another thing I've noticed as well is if you use your camera with voice commands around anybody else with an Insta360 camera, and even a GoPro camera, they can trigger other cameras. So I've had it where GoPro users have said their command and it's actually shut my camera down or performed the function on my camera. So just be aware of that if you're with other people using action cameras, because it could trigger your voice command, which could be a bit of a nightmare. So make sure you speak clear. You don't have to say Insta360, start recording. You just literally state start recording. Whereas with a GoPro, you would have to say GoPro, start recording. So hope that was useful.